Today, we will demonstrate how to use the EtherCAT MDevice, QEC-M-01, with the EK1100 EtherCAT coupler and EL1889/EL2889 digital I/O modules, all controlled by 86Duino. First, launch 86EVA configurator. Connect to the EtherCAT network and scan for the EtherCAT MDevice and subdevices. Once all devices are detected, click the corresponding product icon to configure the device parameters. After configuration, click Code Generation to automatically generate the required source code. Next, launch ArduBlock and create the control program by dragging and dropping functional blocks. First, set the digital output state to high, at a 50 millisecond delay, and then read the input status. Next, duplicate these program blocks and change the output state to low. This allows the output signal to toggle continuously while monitoring the corresponding input response. Once the program is complete, click Generation and Upload to generate the code and upload it to the 86Duino controller. After the upload is finished, open the serial monitor to observe the status changes and blinking responses from the EtherCAT digital input module. This concludes the EtherCAT Remote DIO control demonstration. For more information about EtherCAT applications and our products, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.